Individuals entering into recovery, to be successful, it takes 3 to 5 times on average to get into recovery.
Yeah, I got that.
We are at MRC. This is one of our restart facilities for individuals who are re-entering into the community.
We're coming together and we're putting together harm reduction backpacks. Some of those will be going out with us to the community. Some of those will be provided to the people that are already incarcerated and getting ready to come home too as well.
These kits have supplies and tools to help individuals protect their health, to restart in the community and have successful pursuits.
These supplies and these backpacks are going to go a long way for saving lives. We've got Narcan in there.
There you go.
And then there's resources in there that are going to give them connections to 15 different community agencies that we as a department have partnered with in the MAP program in general.
We're showing that ADCRR and our community partners are supporting individuals who are re-entering into the community.
Bridging back into the community after incarceration is hard enough. So being able to partner with community providers gives those returning to the community a better chance at success.
Unity among the communities. I think for many years, each agency, we've been very siloed. We've worked just by ourselves. And to see us all come together for one purpose, and that's to help people be successful in life.
It's villages like this that make it possible to have long-term goals achieved and lasting change.
I got you.
Sometimes a backpack may be the only thing a person has. That's their life. And to be able to hold on to that and to have somebody give you a brand new one with resources in it. Metaphorically, it's a place to put all of the resources and all of your hope and carry it around with you every day.